As of this moment, local authorities are on the ground, working tirelessly to assess the situation. We've received reports that several individuals are missing and search and rescue operations are actively underway. Emergency responders are conducting thorough searches in affected areas, looking for anyone who may be trapped or in need of immediate assistance. The landslide struck a residential neighborhood, leading to significant destruction and prompting emergency evacuations. Many families have been displaced, and our hearts go out to them during this incredibly challenging time. First responders are on site, providing essential aid. This includes food, water, and medical supplies. The National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council is coordinating these relief efforts, and we can see the local community coming together to support one another. It's important for everyone watching to stay informed about this developing situation. If you are in the area or know someone who is, please keep an eye on local news and follow any safety protocols issued by authorities. If you're in a vulnerable location, it's crucial to heed evacuation orders to ensure your safety and the safety of your loved ones. Authorities are also working to assess the damage in surrounding areas as ongoing rainfall continues to pose a threat. Further landslides and flooding are possible, so vigilance is key. We urge everyone to prioritize their safety and to report any emergency situations to local responders. As we await more updates from officials, we want to take a moment to recognize the bravery and dedication of our first responders. They are working around the clock, often putting themselves at risk to save lives and provide aid to those in need. Their commitment is truly commendable. For those of you watching, we appreciate your support and engagement during this critical time. Your comments and shares can help spread awareness about the situation and encourage others to stay safe. If you have any information about missing persons or wish to share your experiences, feel free to comment below. We'll continue to monitor the situation here in Talisay and we'll provide you with updates as more information becomes available. Thank you for tuning in and please stay safe. I'll check back in shortly with more updates. Let's all hope for a swift and safe recovery for everyone affected.